can use the screen sharing. Yes. Hiruka, is it working? Cannot see the screen now. Still no. Right now can see. Okay, calculating and yes, displaying the grade as well. Okay, good. It's a nice creation. Okay, others. So can you show the code also? That is also important, the code. Okay, so you have calculated the total and the average. Very good, yes. Then, seems you are changing the costume as well. Right, it's okay. That's why the code is large. Right, okay. Okay, he has added some innovative things and just, so anyone else who wish to share? Anyone else who wish to share? Can do now. Yes, you can stop sharing, Hiruka, so someone else can share now. No one else done that? Okay, then I think I am the one who has to share. So Hirushan, can you see your one? Okay, I don't know, Pute. So you are not using the chance given to you. So that is really pathetic. I don't know. So because some students are there. So I just saw some have just come, but again now not there in the class. I don't know why. So maybe they don't like to appear in the live environment thinking that I will ask questions, but don't be pessimistic like that, right? What you have to do is actually, you have to think positively. You have to improve yourself. That should be done by participating to the classes, not by missing the classes. Right, okay. So let's add the content. So let's add the if-else statement. Right. So then actually based on the average, I have to decide. So what I can do, that can be added by a control. So can add this control if average is so greater than or equal to 75, then you have to do something. Else if again it is greater than or equal to 60, you have to do something. Else if again you have to do greater than or equal to 50, you have to do something. Else if it is greater than or equal to 40, you have to do something else, something. So this is how you are going to add the if-else statements. Okay, how to check the conditions, you can use the operator, the or operator, if this mark is greater than or equal to 75. If it is greater than 75 or equal to 75. So this is how you give greater than or equal to 75. What greater than? The average marks. If average is greater than 75 or average is equal to 75, you have to do something that is the grade. You have to set the grade to A. Then you got A. So the second thing is if average greater than or equal to 60. If the average greater than or equal 60 is the next margin. So the next thing is you have to check whether this is greater than or equal to 50. So the next thing is you have to check that this is greater than or equal to 40. Let me give the values 50 and the last one is 40. So what you are going to check is this average. Average here, based on the average only you have to take all the decisions, and average here also, average here and here also. Okay, based on that you have to set the grade to B, and next one set the grade to C, next one set the grade to S. The last one is setting the grade to fail. So if it is even less than 40, you have to fail the student. So these are the conditions. After these conditions, you can output, that is, you can say looks, say the total, average, and the grade. You have to tell the total, average, and the grade. So I'm going to use join operator just to make this more meaningful. Total is, average is, grade is. So total is the total. Total is the total. Average is the average. And grade is the grade. Okay, now we are displaying the values. So what you can do is you can just so ignore displaying the grade, average, and total. You can only show the marks you obtain by unticking this. Sorry, by unticking this, you can stop display. Sorry, you can stop displaying this. Yes, excuse me. Right. Let's see how this runs. So tell me maths marks. Tell me maths marks. Okay, tell me should be your 78. Tell me your English marks. Right. Tell me your science marks. I haven't. The total is okay. Average is great, and you got A. Yes, congratulations. You can shift the costume now. Right. That we'll do later, right? So because we need to address basics. So these are the basics that you need to address. So I'll make it smaller. Then everyone can see the screen. Yeah, not this one. Actually, we need the other one. It will be bigger. Okay. So I think you can copy now. So that is not recommended, but anyway, so at least you will develop the copying skills. But rather than developing the copying skills, try to develop the thinking skills. So that is a challenge. Try to develop the thinking skills. Hiruka has done great job, very well done, job well done. And I think some people have done that, but reluctant to show or shy to show. I believe that you have done that, right? Some of you. So the minor things you can update. So why I use join here? Because then I can show meaningful message. Here, when I click the flag, it's asking, tell me. And it's showing this total is. That's a meaningful. Average is. Grade is. That is meaningful. If I just show total average grade, like Hiruka did, that is not wrong. That is also correct. But the meaning will not be conveyed. That's why I just showed it. Okay, so quickly do this. So don't write this anywhere. Don't take screenshots. So take screenshot, that is up to you. But the thing is, do this. Do this. That is what important. In programming, you have to do this.